The Madlanga Commission enters day 60 today. IPID Assistant Director Thulani Magagula is on the stand this morning. And for more on what happened yesterday and what's expected today, let's get a report from SABC News' Canny Maphanga. Canny, good morning once again.
Good morning to you, Leanne, and to the viewers once again. Where we left off was on the revelations emerging from the status of the Emmanuel Mbense murder case from the vantage point of IPID investigators who took on the matter after it was initially made an inquest and then turned into that murder case implicating law enforcement officials. And of course, Nomsa Masuku, being the investigator or prominent investigator on that matter, is taking the commission through those various challenges and seemingly breakthroughs in the matter to date, which started in 2022, but to date has not seen a single prosecution or an arrest in that regard. So essentially what we're seeing from the evidence yesterday is that what they currently have is a positive match in the DNA from the scene of the Mbense murder case to the suspects that are believed to be involved in the alleged torture and subsequent suffocation and killing of Emmanuel Mbense, and then he was allegedly dumped in a river, allegedly under the instruction of Julius Mkhwanazi. So with that positive link, it seems that they can move on with progress from the place where they left off, where they were relying on a single witness, that is witness D. Marius van der Merwe's testimony, or rather statement, in advancing their case. The difficulty also with the revelations made is that those are 4 suspects that are quite key, according to witness D's testimony, in how the events took place, have since died. She also makes it clear, Nomsa Masuku, that is, although it falls out of her powers as an investigator, that witness D. Marius van der Merwe, who is sometimes conflated with a whistleblower or a Section 204, was actually not a Section 204 witness. She makes it clear before the commission that he was not honest, fully honest, about the events that took place in April of 2022 when that tragic incident took place. And she also goes on to state that he gave the commission much more information than what he gave them at the time when they were approached regarding this particular incident and the kind of events that took place. And that would have significantly implicated, or rather impacted, their evidence in terms of what they could give to the DPP at the time, who held the view that you can't rely solely on a witness who is also implicated in the events in order to secure a successful conviction. So IPID is continuing on the stand defending their position in these very serious allegations engulfing the city of Ekurhuleni and their role in it, in light of the allegation that they allegedly sabotaged those investigations. Thulani Magagula is the next person on the stand who will continue with their testimony. I think he faced the most significant allegations to that regard. We'll elaborate on that in the next hour. Over to you in studio.
All right, Canny, thanks so much for that. Look forward to it. So, Canny Maphanga at the Madlanga Commission for today.